So this is your tooth right here, and this is your enamel. The white part of your tooth is your enamel. Underneath your enamel, the blue part is your dentin. Your dentin is the fluid-filled part of your tooth. It's fluid-filled so that it's kind of like the shock absorber or the cushion for every time you bite. You're not feeling pain, because what's housed inside your dentin is the pulp, which contains your nerves and your blood vessels. This is why you can't take a supplement to directly affect your enamel, because your blood vessels are deep inside your pulp and they're not connected to your enamel. Everything to fix your enamel has to happen on the outside through your food, your saliva, and what you're brushing your teeth with. So this tooth has a cavity in it that actually dips down into the dentin. What's happened is the mineral loss has gone so far that it is now down into the dentin. That's when you start to feel the pain, because your nerves and your blood vessels are right there. When you're brushing with my Dirty Mouth tooth powder or my toothpaste, what you're doing is cleansing the surface of the tooth. Most toothpaste, including natural toothpaste, include an ingredient called glycerin. When you're talking about harmful ingredients, glycerin, and I get this all the time, it's not toxic. You're right. Glycerin is technically not something that's going to cause internal health issues, but for your tooth, what glycerin does when you're brushing with it is it puts what I call either saran wrap or a Band-Aid on top of your tooth. It puts a coating on. So a lot of sensitive products out there for sensitive teeth use glycerin so that you don't feel the damage that is being created. So while you're not feeling it, that Band-Aid is also not allowing minerals from your food or your saliva to heal that portion of your tooth or any portion of your tooth. There was a study that said it took 20 hard swishes to actually remove glycerin from your teeth, which basically means for a lot of people, they brush their teeth in the morning, they put their glycerin coating on, their teeth feel great. Around the evening time, they start to get a little sensitive. They start to feel a little sensitivity. It's time to brush their teeth again. They brush their teeth again. The sensitivity goes away, and it's just a cyclic thing that happens. Eventually, they go to the dentist, and the dentist says, "Oh, you have a cavity." How can I have a cavity? Well, the cavity is there because you're not allowing, even if you're eating good food and minerals and your saliva has minerals in it, you're not able to remineralize that tooth. So what I did with my toothpaste and tooth powder, what happens for some people is when you start brushing with it, it's actually going to clean your teeth really well. And it's going to clean off that glycerin coating. And when that happens, any sensitive spots that you have probably are going to sting or burn or tingle a little bit until you get those minerals back in. But while you're cleaning them off, the minerals from my tooth powder and my toothpaste are right there. And it's like a lock and key. They can fit in and start laying down the building blocks to rebuild that enamel so that you can actually heal a cavity.